Hi everyone! In today's video, hayaan niyo akong sumagot ng isang question about recruitment and selection process sa DepEd for Teacher 1 position. Let's go! So not just here in TikTok, meron din nagtanong sa akin about this question, asking if they are going to apply for a same school pero junior high school and senior high school, kailangan ba daw nilang gumawa ng 2 separate folders? And the answer is yes. Is always check your division memo. Kasi like our division, merong nakalagay na ganito. That if you are applying for both junior and senior high school, kailangan mong gumawa or mag-submit ng 2 separate folders. Especially na merong mga big schools na merong same name pero separate yung campus ng junior high school at senior high school. And during the recruitment and selection process, merong na-assign na ibang committee sa junior high school and senior high school. So I hope I answered your question. And for more questions, don't hesitate to comment down below or any of my TikTok videos. And also follow, share, and subscribe if you want more of this kind of videos. Bye-bye!